She Walks in Beauty by Lord Byron. She walks in beauty, like the night of cloudless climes and starry skies. And all that's best of dark and bright meet in her aspect and her eyes. Thus mellow to that tender light, which heaven to gaudy day denies. One shade the more, one ray the less, it half impair the nameless grace. Which waves in every raven tress, more softly lightens over her face. Where thoughts serenely sweet express, how pure, how dear their dwelling place. And on that cheek and over that brow, so soft, so calm, yet eloquent. The smiles that win the tints their glow, but tell of days in goodness spent. I'm on at peace with all below, a heart whose love is innocent.